Good morning, children. How are you? I hope you all are fine at home, right? Children, we have completed our FA2 revision. Prepare well and write the exam. Okay? Today we are going to start a new lesson. Lesson number 18, the earth. Text reading. We live on the earth. The earth is round like a ball. It is made up of land and water. The earth has much more water than it has land. We live on the earth. The earth is round like a ball. It is made up of land and water. The earth has much more water than it has land. Land. We live on land. Many plants and animals also live on land. Flat lands are called plains. Raised or high lands are called mountains and hills. Between the hills and the mountains, we have V-shaped valleys. Large areas of dry lands are called deserts. I repeat, we live on earth. We live on land. Many plants and animals also live on land. Flat lands are called plains. Raised or high lands are called mountains and hills. Between the hills and the mountains, we have V-shaped valleys. Large areas of dry lands are called deserts. Where do we live? Yes, we live on the earth. The earth was formed long back, number of years back. Yes, the earth rotates on its axis. The earth is like a ball. See here, earth is like a ball. The earth is the only planet suitable for life. We can see living things only on the earth. It is made up of land and water. See here, this yellow color. This yellow color is land. This blue color, see children, this blue color is water. Yes. So, earth is made up of land and water. The earth has a large amount of water. See here, most of the part is blue color only. Yes. About 70% of the earth's surface is covered with oceans. So it is known as blue planet. What is that? Earth is known as blue planet. We live on land. Plants and animals also live on land. Surface of the earth is not even or flat. There are many land forms on the earth, such as plains, mountains, hills, valleys, deserts, etc. So children, look at the image. See, this is image of plains. They are very flat, no? See here. Yes. Flat lands are called plains. Or a large piece of flat land is called plains. See here. This is the image of plains. Next one is, what is this? Yes, this is mountain. All these are mountains. So you see here. All these are mountains. This is another landform. Raised or highlands. See here. Height, see, they are highlands. Raised or highlands are called mountains or hills. See here, children. Many mountains and hills we can see here. Yes. Next landform is valley. See here, what is the shape of this? This is looking like V shape, right? What is the shape? V shape. Between the hills and mountains, we can see V-shaped landforms. V-shaped landforms. They are called valleys. See here, this is the image of valley. See its shape like V. Okay, this is the image of valley. Next one is desert. This is desert, another landform. This is the another landform. This is desert. See here, can you see any plants? No, here we can see only sand. Yes. Large areas of dry lands are called desert. Here plants and water will be very less. Okay. Desert is a place covered with sand. See here, once again we see the landforms. What is this? This is plains. This is plain. This is the image of plains. See here. These are flatlands. Flat. Next one is mountains. See here. These are highlands. Height will be there. See here. Highlands. This is another landform. Mountains and hills. Next one is valleys. Its shape is like V. This will be between mountains and hills. This is called valley. Yes. Next one is desert. Here we cannot see plants. Okay. Only sand we can see here. Plants will be very less and water also will be very less. Okay. Let us wind up. Prepare for the exam, children. I send portion, model paper and revision also. Prepare very well and write the exam, right? I hope you might have seen all those things, right? Have a wonderful day. Thank you.